Hello children, in the last video we had done different kinds of adjectives where we had discussed adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Just to recall, see the features here. Adjectives of quality describe nouns or pronouns. Some adjectives of quality are slow, fast, happy, large, lazy, sincere, hardworking, and red. They ask the question about the noun or pronoun, what kind of? What kind of? This question is asked by adjective of quality. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. With respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. Some adjectives of quantity are enough, much and some. So these are examples of adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. With respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. Some adjectives of number are many, several and few. So I hope you have remembered all these. Now we see some difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. We had already completed it, but just for a revision we do this. Adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted, like water, milk and rice. We can say much milk, a little milk, sufficient milk to show quantity of milk, which is uncountable noun. Next, adjectives of number are used with countable nouns, which can be counted, like books and glasses. We can write many books, few books and several books. Some adjectives like some and sufficient can be used for both countable and uncountable. It depends on the sentence or the noun or pronoun that we are using. So after it we have these two. Exercise number B. This has to be done in your copy. Identify the adjectives and classify them as adjectives of quality, quantity or number. See here I have written only quality, quantity, number in the way, but you have to write complete answer like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. So let us start it. Number 1. The children played loud music. Loud is adjective of quality. Street dogs often become violent towards human beings. Here street is adjective of quality. Third, some rice is left in the refrigerator. Some is adjective of quantity. 4. Is there any letter for me from the bank? Here any is adjective of number. Arnav loves to watch horror movies. Horror is adjective of quality. 6. Many students gather at the gate to appear for the test. Many is adjective of number. 7. There isn't much ice in the fridge. Much is adjective of quantity. 8. One boy of class 6 won the competition. One is adjective of number. 9. We kept a few apples in the basket. Few is adjective of number. And 10. There was much excitement among the people. Here much is adjective of quantity. Now we move to page number 30. Demonstrative adjectives. There is the new topic. So what is it? A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some persons or things. Means when we want to show or point out something, when we want to demonstrate something, then we use demonstrative adjectives. And some of these are this, this, that, these, those, such, and certain. See the example? These bikes are not parked properly. So here these, T-H-E-S-E, these are the word is a demonstrative adjective. Next example, such players always play for the team. Such is demonstrative adjective. And the most important feature of demonstrative adjectives is that they answer the question which one. When you ask a question, let's see, which bikes are not parked properly? So you will answer these bikes. In example number B, which players always play for the team? So your answer is such players. So these and such are example of demonstrative adjectives. Now we move to interrogative adjectives. Meaning of interrogative is question. So adjectives that are used with nouns to ask questions are interrogative adjectives. Examples, what question did the teacher ask? Next, whose bat is that? And see, which book is yours? In all three sentences, the sentence starts with a question word, what, whose, and which. So what, whose, and which are interrogative adjectives. And always remember, these adjectives come before noun, just before noun. Demonstrative adjectives or interrogative adjectives both come just before the noun. You can see, let's go to demonstrative again. Bikes are noun and these are adjectives. So adjective is before the noun. Such players, players is noun and such is adjective. In interrogative adjective, what question? So what is adjective? And question is noun. Whose bat? Whose is interrogative adjective and bat is noun. Which book? Which is interrogative adjective and book is the noun. Now we move to the next topic, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. Ownership. Let's see once. There at the corner there is a small table where you can see possessive adjectives of singular and plural in all three persons. First person, second person and third person. In first person we use my for singular and our for plural. Second person, your is used as singular as well as plural. Third person, his for male singular, her for female singular, and its is used for things in singular. And plural of all these three is their, T-H-E-I-R. There is third person plural possessive adjective. Let's see some examples. His pen is on the table. His shows possession. Pen is noun. B. My car is at the service station. Car is noun and just before noun there is adjective, possessive adjective, my. C. Your bike is new. Your is possessive adjective and bike is noun. So this is how we can identify the adjective whether it is demonstrative, interrogative or possessive. When it point out something, then it is demonstrative. When it asks the question, then it is interrogative. And if it shows possession or belonging, then it will be called as possessive adjective. After it, we move to the exercise number C. Identify the adjectives in the following sentences and tick the correct options. The first one has been done for you. So one example is done. That house is mine. That is underlined. And what is type of that? It is demonstrative, interrogative or possessive. So it is demonstrative. Now we start from 1. Megha is wearing your earrings. Your is possessive. 2. Whose pencil is lying on the floor? Whose is interrogative. Third, I could not answer this question. This is demonstrative. 4. Her pen is with Shyam. Her is possessive. 5. That house needs repair. That is demonstrative. 6. Our car has been parked near the gate. Our is possessive. 7. Which girl is going to play the role of Cinderella? Which is interrogative. And 8. They are very happy at their son has won the music competition. There is possessive. Next, some other type of adjectives. Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Example, Asian. From Asia it came Asian. And from Christ it became Christian. Next is emphatic adjectives. Emphatic means to emphasize or influence. So they influence the effect of the noun they are modifying. Absolute knowledge. So they emphasize the noun knowledge. Utter lie. Here utter is emphatic adjective and lie is the noun to which it modifies. Next is participle adjectives. Sometimes participles means ing words used before nouns are used as adjectives. Example, flying saucer and running bus. You see flying, fly plus ing, flying and run plus ing, running. They both are verb, but here they are used as adjectives. So when we add ing to verb, it becomes participle adjectives and they can be used as adjective to identify any noun. So flying saucer and running bus. Now we will do exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with the type of adjectives mentioned in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. Let's see what is the example. First, the Chinese girl could speak Chinese only. You see in bracket it's written proper adjective. We have to use any proper adjective. So Chinese is used here. Chinese is a proper adjective. Came from China. 2. Dash students received awards in this school. Adjective of number. We can use any number. So I have used many students. Third, please return dash books to me. Demonstrative adjective. As it's books, so I have written these. I hope you have understood. You have to see what is written in the bracket and find out any one example of that which is suitable to the sentence. Number 4. I am advised to add some soya to my diet. 5. My house is very far from here. 6. I love to be in my house as it is very big. It is adjective of quality. 7. Can you climb this tree? This is demonstrative adjective. 8. She sprained her ankle during the practice session. Possessive adjective, her. 9. Which fruit is available during the season? Which is interrogative adjective. You have less time to complete your homework. Less is adjective of quantity. 11. Your payment is due on the first Monday of the month. Adjective of number, I have used first. 12. I need a sharp knife to cut the vegetable. Sharp is adjective of quality. 13. Which book would you like to read? Which is interrogative adjective. 14. The new manager does not have any experience in this field. Any is the adjective of quantity. And 15. I am scared of these dogs. These is demonstrative adjective. Now we move to degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in form when they show comparison. And there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. A positive degree shows no comparison. See the example. Roy is a strong boy. There is only one noun, Roy, who is strong. Strong is positive adjective and there is no comparison. Second, comparative. Comparative degree shows comparison between two nouns or pronouns. Example, Roy is stronger than Ram. Here there is comparison between Roy and Ram. There are two nouns. So, strong has become stronger. And to show comparative degree, we use then after the adjective. THAN then. Third is superlative degree. Comparison between more than two nouns or pronouns are shown by superlative degree. For example, Roy is the strongest of the 3 boys. So here there are comparison between 3 boys which is more than 2. So when there is comparison between more than 2, it becomes superlative degree. Strong has become strongest. To show superlative degree, we use THE the before the adjective. Now we see how these adjectives of comparative and superlative degrees are formed. So there are different ways. First is by adding ER or EST respectively to comparative and superlative degree. Example, rich, RICH, rich is positive degree, richer is comparative and richest is superlative degree. So in rich, just ER and EST in superlative are added. Young, younger, youngest. Here also ER in comparative and EST in superlative degree is added. Second type is by adding R in comparative and ST in superlative degree. So we see that noble, N-O-B-L-E, noble. Here you see already E is given at the end. So we don't need to add extra E. Just add R in comparative and ST in superlative degree. Next example is wise, wiser, wisest. Here also R and ST are used in comparative and superlative respectively. Next type, when the positive degree ends with a consonant with a vowel before it. Then double the consonant and then add R or ER as it is. See, big, B-I-G, big. Here G is the last letter which is consonant, and before this consonant there is a vowel I. So when we change it to comparative, it becomes B-I-double-G-E-R. The last consonant letter doubles. Bigger, and in biggest again double G, B-I-double-G-E-S-T, biggest. Next word, fat, where A is vowel and last letter T is consonant. So we have to double the letter T. F-A-T-T-E-R, fatter, and F-A-T-T-E-S-T, fattest. Next type, when the positive degree ends in a consonant with a vowel before it. Y changes to I. When we see a word which ends with Y and just before Y there is a consonant, then Y changes to I in comparative and superlative degree. Example, easy. S is consonant and at the end there is Y. So it becomes easier. E-A-S-I. There is not Y. I-E-R. And in superlative, E-A-S-I-E-S-T, easiest. Next, happy. Similarly, happy changes to happier and happiest, where we remove Y and add I instead of Y. Next is by adding more or most before the positive form in comparative and superlative. When the word is too long, which is more than 2 syllables, then we add more or most before them. Example, beautiful changes to more beautiful and most beautiful in comparative and superlative. Important changes to more important and most important. Next, some type of adjectives are those which do not follow any such rules. They make the changes themselves. They are exceptions. So one example is far. Far changes to farther, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, and farthest, F-A-R-T-H-E-S-T, farthest, to show the distance. And the same word far can be used to as F-U-R-T-H-E-R, further, or and in F-U-R-T-H-E-S-T, farthest in superlative degree to show the position. There are many such words like given in page number 33. Go through it. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less or lesser, and superlative is least. Next word is late. Actually it's written L-A-T-E-R, but it should be late. Late changes to later and latest. It shows time. Or latter, L-A-T-T-E-R, latter, and last when it shows the position. Many is used to show adjective of number and much is to show adjective of quantity, and comparative and superlative degree of both are the same, that is more and most. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, oldest. It is used for animals, things, etc., but not for the person. For person, old changes to elder and eldest. E-L-D-E-R, elder, and E-L-D-E-S-T, eldest. Explanation of the chapter is over here, but exercises are left. So we are going to attempt all the left exercises. Number E. Identify the adjectives and name the degree of comparison of each. First one. The young man was more successful than his friend. Young is positive and more successful is comparative. Kindly do this exercise in your copy. Second, Jay is taller than Ravi. Taller is comparative degree. 3. The longest lane is still closed for the public. Longest is superlative degree. 4. The happy child played with others. Happy is positive degree. 5. Solomon was one of the wisest men. Wisest is superlative degree. 6. Jeet's dog has become lazy. Lazy is positive. 7. Mr. Sharma is wealthier than Mr. Verma. Wealthier is comparative degree. 8. Let me listen to the most important news of the day. Most important is superlative degree. 9. During summer, Delhi is hotter than Kolkata. Hotter is comparative. 10th. May and June are the hottest months in North India. Hottest is superlative degree. Question number F. Give the comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. 1. Sad. Sadder. S-A-D-D-E-R. And saddest. S-A-D-D-E-S-T. 2. Hot. Hotter. Hottest. Double T in both. 3. Cold. Colder. Coldest. 4. Little changes to less. L-E-S-S. And least. L-E-A-S-T. 5. Late changes to later and last. L-A-T-E-R. L-A-S-T last. There is one more option. You can write that also. Number 6. Fit, fitter and fittest. Double T in both. 7. Lucky. Y will be replaced with I. Luckier, luckiest. 8. Long, longer, longest. 9. Many, more, most. 10. Much, again same, more and most. 11. Bold, bolder, boldest. 12. High, higher, highest. Fine, finer, finest. Broad, broader, broadest. 15. Grey, grayer, greyest. There is no change in Y. G-R-E-Y-E-R and G-R-E-Y-E-S-T. 16. Active, more active, most active. 17. Old. You can write any of the answer. There are two. Older, oldest or elder, eldest. 18. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Holy, holier, holiest. H-O-L-I-E-R. H-O-L-I-E-S-T. We replace Y with I. 20. Charming changes to more charming and most charming. 21. Similarly, cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. 22. Costly, again replace Y with I. Costlier, costliest. 23. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. 24. Strange, just add R, stranger, and ST to make strangest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. 27th. Far, farther, farthest or further, furthest. Anyone. 28. Good, better, best. Number G. Now frame meaningful sentences using the words given below. Number 1. Kesav, intelligent, his brother. Answer is Kesav is more intelligent of the two brothers. Number 2. Athira, lazy, her sister. Answer. Athira is lazier than her sister. Third. Mr. Saxena, generous, his neighbor. Mr. Saxena is more generous than his neighbor. 4. Sharath, kind, his cousin. Answer. Sharath is kinder than his cousin. H is similar. See example. Gold, costly, silver. Number 1. Answer is gold is costlier than silver. Number 2. Cashew nuts, costly, peanuts. Answer. Cashew nuts are costlier than peanuts. 3. Rashi, pretty, Ragini. Rashi is prettier than Ragini. Fourth, Raghav talented Harsh. Answer, Raghav is more talented than Harsh. I. Number 1, Mukesh Ambani, rich man in India. Answer is Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. Similarly, 2. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Third, Raman is the thinnest boy in the class. 4. Abida is the most talented girl in the senior school. Question number J. Read the following sentences and tick the correct one. The first one has been done for you. Number 1. Burj Khalifa is the most tallest building in the world. It is wrong because we cannot use most and tallest together. 2. Shalini is more kinder than Sana. Wrong. Same reason. Third. Suresh is the most efficient person in the organization. Correct. 4. Rita is more shorter than Rashmi. Wrong. 5. He is braver than his brother. Right. And the last exercise, number K. Read the following passage and underline the adjectives. Mother Teresa was a kind lady. Kind. Who served the sick and poor people. Sick and poor. All the generous and humble people who wanted to help contributed willingly. All generous and humble. She could not bear to see a hungry child or an ailing person and was keen to serve them. Hungry, ailing, and keen. There is a big home called Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata where many people are taken care of. Big. The underprivileged and the needy are looked after well. Underprivileged and needy. The people who work there get great satisfaction by doing so. Great.